There are sentences that are commonly used while using your cell phone here in Japan. This episode will teach you some of them, so stay tuned. Hello, my name is Hide, and welcome to another episode of Japanese Unlimited. If you're new to our channel and wish to watch our previous episodes, just click here. In this video, I will teach you some common and useful sentences while using your cell phone here in Japan. These are very practical, so try to remember them. Let's start. それでは始めましょう。失礼します。ちょっと電話に出ますので。You say this sentence whenever you are in the conversation and you suddenly received an important call. This means, excuse me, do you mind if I take this call? Let's practice. 失礼します。ちょっと電話に出ますので。お待たせしました。電話に出ないといけなかったので。You say this sentence when you took an important call in the middle of the conversation, then came back to apologize. This means, sorry to keep you waiting. I was expecting that call. Let's practice. お待たせしました。電話に出ないといけなかったので。すみません。着信が来たのですぐかけ直します。You may say this sentence when you're in the middle of a phone call and an important call just came in, waiting to be answered. This means, I'm sorry, a phone call just came in. I will call you right back. Let's practice. すみません。着信が来たのですぐかけ直します。バッテリーが切れそうであまり長く話ができません。You will say this sentence when you receive the call while your batteries are running out. This means, I can't talk for long. My batteries are low. Let's practice. バッテリーが切れそうであまり長く話ができません。もしもし、聞こえますか？電波が悪いです。You will say this sentence when you receive the call and you are in a place where it's difficult to get a good reception. This means, hello, can you hear me? The reception here is poor. Let's practice. もしもし、聞こえますか？電波が悪いです。会話が途切れてよく聞こえないのですが。You will say this sentence when you receive the call and the reception is very bad and you cannot understand a thing. This means, you're breaking up. I cannot hear you well. Let's practice. 会話が途切れてよく聞こえないのですが。I hope that this episode will help you to be more confident in making and taking phone calls. You may always watch this video to practice with me, but for now, here's a summary of what we have talked about today. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. And also, please hit the notification bell if you wish to be notified every time we upload a brand new lesson video. Because in this channel, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you on our next video. またね。